Everybody, it's Andrew at Complete Game Physical Therapy, and we just wanted to spend a little time kind of going over things that you can be doing at home for exercise and maintaining your fitness and conditioning, since we have a lot more time at home and less people are apt to go to the gym. So what I wanted to go over today is you can get these kits on Amazon or any sporting goods store. They're tubing resistance kits, and they always come with this door anchor, and it looks a little intimidating, but it's super easy to use, and once you realize how easy to use, you can realize how versatile it is and how you can kind of do really any exercise with it. So you just take the one end, and all you do is close it in the door, like that. And now you have a good anchor point that you can pull as hard as you want, and it's not going to come loose. The only caveat is make sure you close the door towards you instead of opening the door towards you when you're using the anchor point, so that way nothing happens to the anchor. But you can anchor it at your waist, you can anchor it up high, so that way you can do pull downs, or you can anchor it down low and do any sort of leg exercises. So be watching for the next couple of videos. We'll show you some different ways to use this anchor. Thank you.